Need tools? We've got you covered. Go to ChromebookParts.com or click on the link below to pick up this sleek, portable toolkit. Flip the device over and remove 11 6mm screws from the bottom cover. Gently insert the opener pick between the bottom cover and the palm rest and slide along the edges to pop the bottom cover free. Peel back the tape and unplug the battery from the motherboard. Plug the battery back into the motherboard and lay the battery back into place. Replace the bottom cover and push down to snap it back into place. Replace the 11 6mm screws back into the bottom cover.